Levitronix anti-static bearingless pump systems are designed for ultra-pure processing of delicate solvents while providing excellent protection against electrostatic discharge. The anti-static pump series incorporates all the advantages of Levitronix bearingless pump systems, such as virtually no particle generation, pulsation-free flow, or low maintenance. Additionally, the conductive pump head is designed for maximum protection against ESD and solvent applications. Charges created due to liquid friction are immediately grounded, thereby avoiding the risk of electrostatic discharge. Anti-static pumps are available in stainless steel or conductive PTFE. From low to high flow rates, Levitronix anti-static pumps will improve your yield. Levitronix, better pumps for better yield.